Good day everyone, this is Laikami Gabayaran. Today, I will not simply report facts about a scientist. Instead, I will tell a story about how science, when guided by compassion, can help build a nation. When we talk about nation building, we often think of leaders, laws, or economic plans. But sometimes, nation building begins in the smallest and most vulnerable place, inside the life of a child. This presentation is about Dr. D. Filmondo, a Filipino scientist who dedicated her life to saving children and in doing so, helped shape the future of the Philippines. What if saving one child could build a nation? Imagine a baby born in a small Filipino barrio many years ago. The baby is born inside a nipa hut. There is no hospital nearby. There is no electricity. There is no doctor available. The child's survival depends not on advanced technology, but on chance. Years ago, this was the reality for many Filipino children. And one Filipino doctor refused to accept that this should be normal. During the early and mid-20th century, the Philippines faced serious health challenges. Many children died from preventable diseases such as dengue, diarrhea, and malnutrition. Hospitals were limited, especially outside major cities. Medical care was expensive, and many families could not afford treatment. Science and medicine existed, but they were not reaching the people who needed them the most. This was not only a medical issue, it was a social and national issue because a country cannot progress if its children are not protected. A Filipino doctor with a mission. Dr. Fe Del Mundo was born in 1911. From a young age, she showed strong interest in medicine and helping others. She studied medicine at the University of the Philippines and later trained abroad, where she gained advanced knowledge in pediatrics. At that time, staying abroad meant better facilities, better pay, and a more comfortable life. But Dr. De Filmondo made a difficult decision. She chose to return to the Philippines because she believed that her knowledge had a purpose, to serve Filipino children. Dr. Fe Del Mundo believed that science should not be exclusive. For her, medicine was not only for those who could afford it. It was a responsibility, especially to the poor and vulnerable. She believed that a scientist should not only study problems, but also create solutions that fit the reality of the people. This belief guided all her works and innovation throughout her life. One of Dr. De Filmondo's greatest contributions was founding the first pediatric hospital in the Philippines, which is the Children's Medical Center. This hospital focused on treating children, especially those from poor families. She also invented a low-cost bamboo incubator for premature babies. This innovation was designed for rural areas without electricity, helping newborns survive even in difficult conditions. In addition, she conducted research on childhood diseases and trained healthcare workers, improving pediatric care across the country. Dr. Fe Del Mundo's work directly contributed to nation building. By saving children's lives, she helped ensure a healthier future generation. Healthy children grow into educated individuals, productive workers, and responsible citizens. Through her contributions, she strengthened the Philippine healthcare system and supported long-term national development. This proves that caring for children is not just charity, it is an investment in the nation. What made Dr. De Filmondo unique was not only her intelligence, but her compassion. She understood the real conditions of Filipino communities. Instead of copying foreign solutions, she adapted science to local needs. Her innovations were simple, affordable, and effective. This shows us that true scientific progress does not always mean expensive technology. It means understanding people's realities. Even today, the Philippines continues to face challenges and inequality. Dr. De Filmondo's life reminds us that innovation should always be guided by compassion. Her story challenges us to ask ourselves, how can our skills and knowledge help our country? Her legacy remains relevant because the need for service-oriented science still exists. Dr. Fidel Mondo was not just a doctor. He was not just a scientist. He was a nation builder. By choosing service over comfort and compassion over recognition, he showed us that building a nation can start by saving one child at a time. This is the lasting legacy of Dr. De Filmondo.